Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is I want to make a fall t-shirt using infusible ink. I think this is going to be so cute. Okay, and if you don't want to use the infusible ink, you could just use vinyl if you wanted. So I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer, and since I saved what I want, I'm just going to go to New Project and hit Replace. And then I'm just going to go up here to the top, My Projects, top right hand corner, and right here it is, Happy Harvest Y'all. I think that will be so cute. Now, if you want to customize this, you go down here to the bottom and hit Customize because I want to make mine a certain size, okay? And I think I may want to make mine, I'm thinking like maybe, oh, I don't really want it. I'm thinking maybe like 7 by 7. I think I want to do 7 by 7 with this. So what I'm going to do is go up to the right top. Let me zoom in. It'll help here, but it won't help up here. But at the top, you'll see size. You can unlock it. And then for the width, I just want to put in 7.0. And for the height, I want 7.0. And sometimes it'll flip on you and you just have to keep putting it on in there, and then because I want 0, and then lock it. And that's what we're going to have. I think that's going to be really pretty. So now you'll see if you look in the layers column, it's a cut image. So we're going to the right top corner to make it and click on that. It will show us how many mats we need, and we know we're just going to need one. And you want to mirror this right here. Let me zoom in a little more. It says mirror right here, and you want to flip this till the mirror is on, and you can see it flipped my design. Okay, now we're going to go, I'm gonna have my Cricut on custom, and we're going to hit continue right bottom corner, and my machine is connecting to my computer. Okay, and I want infusible ink. Now this says infusible ink transfer sheet. Let's click on that. So we're just going to hit default and click on more because I always add more pressure. The mirror is on. And it says right here, make sure mirror is turned on and material is ink side up. Okay, so the next time you see me, we will be cutting out this adorable little t-shirt. I have my infusible ink, and I want to make this out of this leopard print. I think it's going to be really cute. So when you open this up, it's sealed, and you will get a piece of this parchment paper. You get some parchment paper, 2 pieces, so that you can use it to adhere your design on with. So I'm going to save that. I'll need that. And then you get this really pretty like ombre effect, which I'm going to use that in something. You definitely want to keep that in there. And then you get this leopard print, which is what I love, okay? So let me go ahead and put this on my standard grit mat. And you want to put it ink side up. Okay, and I'm going to put it like this. Okay. All right. And then I'm going to just insert this in my Cricut. Let me push this down so you can see. And then hit the blinking arrow to load it. And then I'll hit the blinking C to cut this. Okay. But let me update everyone on my eyes. I did see the ophthalmologist on Friday, and he said that I don't have an infection anymore, but I have very dry eyes. and he gave me, I'm back on my tobramycin with the dexamethasone in it, which is an anti-inflammatory. And I have to put warm compresses twice a day on my eyes, and I have to use re-wetting drops 4 times a day, and then he's added night drops for nighttime. Now I tried the ointment, but it made my eyes so bad. So my body must not like that. So I've switched to like a gel at night, and he had to switch my day re-wetting drops so they don't contain any preservatives because I was allergic to those. So I see him again next week. They are feeling better. He said I could wear my contacts as long as they didn't hurt. And so far, thank God, they're not hurting. And he said that I could wear makeup as long as I keep the lash line clear of any liner. Make sure I put it above or well below it, and don't let my mascara get really close to my lash base. So that's what I'm doing. But I want to thank everyone for all their prayers and concern. It is very frustrating, but I'm hoping that we're finally turning a corner, and I'm going to be really pleased with how this turns out. So that's good. So this is almost through printing, and then I'll take it in the kitchen and we will weed this. I wanted to do a pumpkin, but since I'd already done a pumpkin on my coasters, I may just make me a pumpkin shirt. I knew you probably wouldn't want to watch another pumpkin, but I definitely think this is going to be cute. Okay, we're going to eject it. All right, and then what we're going to do is just peel this off because I don't want to waste any of my infusible ink. So I'm going to go ahead and cut some of this off so I don't waste it. And then I'll meet you in the kitchen and we will start getting this fixed. Okay, I have it cut out. Now, to weed this, you do it a little bit different. You kind of roll it, and it's called cracking, and you can hear it crack. And it's just a little bit different than, the way you do other things. And you just keep bending it like that. I can see why they call it cracking. Okay, and then we are going to get a corner. Okay, and we're just going to start peeling it back. We're going to start peeling it back and leaving our design on here. You don't use your weeder to do this. You can use scissors if you need to, but basically you use your hands. I love this leopard print. I think it is so pretty. Just take your time and just keep cracking it and pulling it to make sure you're leaving your words there. Takes a little bit of time, but it's well worth it. Infusible ink is really easy. Okay. And you can see it comes out really easily, especially once you get yourself started. Now make sure you don't have any lotions on your hands and your hands are not wet, because that will really mess you up. I love animal print. I think it's so pretty. And it's so hot right now. Well, it's pretty much in all the time. It seems like this season it's really in. Okay, if you turn it around, it says Happy Harvest, you all, y'all. So what I want to do is set my heat press. I'm going to turn it on. And then if you pull up Cricut's heat guide, you just select the material, and I have infusible ink transfer sheet and the base material, and I have a t-shirt. Okay, and then apply, and I need to set this to 385, so I'm going to set it to 385 for 40 seconds. Okay, and when that gets hot, it will beep. And then it tells me my supplies that I need, my butcher paper, to put the infusible ink transfer sheet face down. I need the white cardstock, lint roller, tweezers, okay? So it tells me to get my t-shirt, which I have, and I have used those from Walmart as well. You just have to be really careful and don't get 100% cotton, because it won't work on 100% cotton, all right? Okay, I have my white cardstock, 12 by 12. I have my butcher paper. Okay, and now I'm just going to heat this up to get some of the wrinkles out and anything that might get on there. But first, what I'm going to do, clean this off to make sure, even though it's new, it removes any like lint fibers that could be on the shirt. And I'm kind of figuring out where I want this. I think this is going to be so cute. You could measure if you want. I typically kind of eyeball and figure out about where I want it. Even if it's a new shirt, you still need to use the lint roller, because you would be surprised at the little fibers that can come off. Okay. All right, that is hot. Okay, now I'm just going to heat the area up for about 15 seconds. And that will remove any moisture, and it will get the wrinkles out. And I'm going to move this a little closer to us. Okay. Then once this completely cools, we'll go on further. I'm going to put the cardstock up inside the shirt just in case anything should happen to come through. It shouldn't, and that's why you want white as well. Going to put that in the shirt. Make sure it's straight like it was before. Okay. Then what we have is we're going to put, and make sure you put it not upside down. That would be bad. Okay. Move this a little closer. Okay, and then I'm going to put this right about here, I think, right here. Going to cover it with this butcher paper. Then we're going to pick this up and make sure we have it all on our design. Press down, start the countdown, and just hold it. Don't move it, because if you move it, you could blur the image, and you definitely don't want to do that. And when it beeps, we'll raise it up, and then we'll remove it and take a look at this adorable shirt. It is going to be so cute. All right, we're gonna lift straight. Okay, now you need to remove this while it's still warm, okay? So I'm going, because it says slowly lift press, remove butcher paper, slowly remove liner while warm. Okay, so we're just going to peel this back slowly. Oh, that's so pretty. Now right here, and you can reuse your butcher paper and your cardstock if nothing is on it, and I don't have anything on it. This is so cute. Now the only problem, for some reason, and it has really been hot, right here you can see I didn't get a good transfer right there. But here's how it turned out. It's only one spot right here. This is a little light. Now it may be that my infusible ink got really hot because I did have it in the car for a while when I was out shopping, and it has been horrible here. So let me go try this on and we'll take a look at it. Okay, here is my shirt. I just love how this turned out. It is so cute. Like I said, right in here I didn't get a really good transfer right in here on 2 letters. So maybe, like I said, I had it in my car for a while and it was really hot while I was shopping. Maybe that did it. I held it on as long as the transfer sheet information said to from Cricut. I don't know. But it is adorable. It was gonna look so cute for fall under a jean jacket. I love it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.